Over time, car seats can develop tears and foam damage due to regular use. Addressing these issues early helps maintain comfort and protect your vehicle's interior. Luckily, there are simple methods to restore both the appearance and functionality of your seats. To recover the seat, you will need a round-tip upholstery needle for cloth, strong upholstery thread, and basic tools like scissors and a hook tool. In this repair, the damage extends nearly the length of the panel, so we must begin stitching well beyond the torn area to gradually bring the seam together for a cleaner finish. Start by grabbing about 3/8 of an inch of material from one side using the needle, and then do the same on the opposite side. Next, take the second needle and insert it into the exact hole where the first thread came out, going another 3/8 of an inch. Leave a small loop of thread so you can stretch the hole open if needed, allowing the needle to pass through cleanly. Each stitch involves the two needles swapping sides, always moving about 3/8 of an inch forward. For the first 3 to 4 stitches, do not pull the threads tight, this helps set up the seam. Use your scissor to press down excess material, ensuring each hole on the left lines up perfectly with the one on the right, which hides the stitching almost entirely. As you reach the torn or infected area, begin pulling the stitches tighter, either one at a time or two at once, while continuing to depress any excess material for a flush finish. At the end of the seam, tie a secure square knot. First, wrap the thread twice and pull tight, then wrap once more. Insert the first needle into a hole near the last stitch, followed by the second needle, and pull both through. This hides the knot beneath the surface for a clean, professional look. By using this easy method you can fix a torn car seat. A leather repair patch is a quick and effective solution to fix a torn car seat. It instantly covers rips, tears, or holes in leather or vinyl, restoring the seat's appearance without the need for professional help. First, make sure your seat is completely clean and dry to ensure proper adhesion. Once the area is prepped, use a leather repair kit suitable for your seat material. Select a patch from the kit that closely matches the texture and color of the damaged area. Match the 2D adhesive patch over the torn section to ensure it fully covers the hole. Peel off half of the adhesive backing and carefully stick that part onto the seat. Then slowly pull back the rest of the backing, pressing down as you go to avoid any air bubbles, bumps, or wrinkles. Smooth it out thoroughly. Once applied properly, let the patch set and bond to the seat surface for a full 24 hours before using the seat again. By using this simple method you can fix a torn car seat. A hook tool is essential for safely removing seat hooks and clips during car seat cover and foam repair without tearing the material. To remove the seat cover without taking the seat off the track, begin by cleaning the surface thoroughly to avoid any dirt interference. Take a hook tool and closely inspect the seat. If you focus, you will notice a circular clip securing the cover. Use the hook tool to latch onto this clip and pop it out gently. Next, remove the side panel, which will give you access to the seat hooks. These hooks are small plastic pieces, loosen them by hand, and if needed, pull them out with the hook tool. You will find hooks located in the back, front, and sides of the seat. Be careful not to touch the yellow wire with a plug underneath the seat. This is part of the airbag system and should not be disturbed. Once all seat hooks are removed, you can carefully take the seat cover off. Keep in mind that seat construction may vary across different car models. After removing the cover, mark the damaged area using a pencil or similar tool. Use a blade to carefully cut the thread and separate the damaged section. You can use the hook tool again to help take the cover apart. With the damaged section carefully removed, trace its outline onto a vinyl sheet to create an accurate pattern. Trim the pattern neatly to the correct size, and securely glue it onto a piece of foam for further use. Cut the foam accordingly, and then sew the new pattern using the marked lines as a guide. Use a sewing machine to carefully stitch the pattern pieces together, ensuring all edges align properly. Then, attach the newly stitched pattern securely back onto the original seat cover. To repair the foam beneath, first apply glue to the foam. Trim and attach one piece of foam to the side, then take another piece of foam, apply glue to it thoroughly, and carefully fix it on top to ensure a secure and even repair. Finally, reinstall the seat cover in the car following the reverse order of disassembly, ensuring all hooks, panels, and clips are secured properly. This method will help you to fix a torn car seat and repair the foam. By following these simple steps, you can extend the life of your car seat and maintain a clean, professional appearance.